So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anurag. Today we'll be continuing the Python series and our today's topic is Introduction to Ideally and Print. So you will be wondering what is Ideally stands for. Ideally stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay. So when we install Python, we have two options. First, to use the inbuilt Ideally, which is pre-installed with Python installation, or you can use an external Ideally like PyCharm or VS Code. Okay. So today we'll be seeing how to use our inbuilt Ideally for Python. So first go to the Windows and you will be able to see the Ideally which is recently added. Double click on it. Then an interface like this will be opened. So the first screen which we are able to see is known as the output screen. So to print anything on the output, you will have to use the keyword print, and I will say learn with Anurag. So the syntax of Python says that if we are using a keyword print, then it is followed by the bracket, and then we can use double quotes or single quotes with the value which we have to print on the output screen. Okay. So after writing that, just press enter, and then we will be able to see learn with Anurag printed on the output screen. Okay. This much is fine, right? So if we have to just execute one line commands, we can directly use our output compiler to show the output. But if we have to write more than one lines, okay, then we will have to create a file and then execute all the lines which we have to do to show it on the compiler. Okay, so let's just see that. So to create a file, first we will go to file, then new file, then a new file is created. Okay, so then I will write like first print hello, and on the next line I am using print Anurag. So when I'm using print statement, no, the first line will be printed first, and after using the print, the second line is printed on the second. The hello Anurag will not come in a single line. It will come like first hello, and then on the second line it will print Anurag. Okay. So to run this file, we will just have to save this file like fi. Okay, and I will just say intro, and I just save the file. As you can see, the file has already run and we have got the output hello and Anurag in different lines. So we know that when we use print statement, it comes in different line rather than on the same line. So if you want to print in the same line, you can use end statement. So you would be thinking, what is end statement, right? End keyword basically. So if we use end keyword, and then I will just run and show it. It will be more easy to understand that way. Okay. As you can see, I am able to integrate both the words in a single line. Okay. So we can do that with the help of end. So in the further videos, we will be seeing how to use more inbuilt keywords in Python, and we will be writing our first program. Okay. Thanks for watching.